Alright, so in this video we're just gonna create the migration file and the user model and the post model for the post we're gonna make. So we can just put it like this. We create a migration and the model file. At the moment we're not gonna focus on the model file really. We're gonna focus on the migration file. So in here we wanna, beside the ID, have the opportunity to say is a boolean, and then we want to say if it's edit, because in this case we are gonna play with the idea that you can only edit a post once. So it's gonna be default 0, and then we want to have a table, and then we want to have a string of a content and then that's actually all for this model here at the moment. So later on we're gonna focus on adding likes and all that, but this is all for creating the model.